If FiveM keeps crashing when you try to join a server, here's how to fix it. Update your GPU drivers, verify game files in FiveM settings, delete the cache folder, run FiveM as administrator.
Yeah, it's a super common problem. But don't worry, we're going to get you back in the game.
Okay, first things first, we're going to try the simple reset. This fixes it most of the time.
First up, make sure FiveM is completely closed. Then just go ahead and restart your PC.
All right, now that you're rebooted, let's check a really important setting inside FiveM. So, open up FiveM, head to Settings, click the Game tab, and just check that path. Still crashing? Okay, no problem. Next up, we're clearing out old files that can cause issues. Make sure FiveM is closed. Now, hit Windows key plus R and follow these steps to find the cache. Now this is super important. Only delete these specific cache folders, nothing else. Okay, next we need to make sure your actual Grand Theft Auto files aren't the problem.
Just open up the Rockstar Launcher. It has a tool that'll fix any broken game files for you.
Sometimes your graphics settings are just too high, so let's go ahead and tweak those.
Back in FiveM settings, go to Graphics. Try lowering texture quality and turn off motion blur.
Oh, and make sure your graphics drivers are totally up to date. That's a really big one.
Still having trouble? Okay, we've got a couple more powerful fixes we can try.
This one's easy. Just right-click the FiveM icon and choose Run as Administrator. You know, sometimes your antivirus gets in the way. Try adding FiveM as an exception.
One nice question. Does it only crash on one server? If so, it's probably not your PC.
So just to recap, restart, check the path, clear that cache, and tweak your settings. And that should do it. Your game is fixed. Now go jump into your favorite server.